guys, so I'm filming a lot lately and I got all these mashed potatoes that have nothing to do with them. There's a video I did on mashed potatoes. I don't even know if you've seen it yet. I don't think you have. I think it's coming out later, like next month. But I've got leftover mashed potatoes. You know, mashed potatoes are like dirt cheap. You get a ton of them. What do you do with leftover mashed potatoes? It's kind of like, what do you do with leftover Thanksgiving stuffing? Right? We showed you what to do with that. We're going to show you today how to turn these mashed potatoes into mashed potato bacon bombs. Are you ready? Come on in close. All right, once again, we got these leftover mashed potatoes that we don't know what to do with, right? So I'm going to let those sit right there. We're going to grab some bacon. We're going to grab some breadcrumbs. We're going to grab the oil. We're going to use that. Have we got everything? Oh, yeah, that's right. We're going to grab some cubed cheese. And I'll show you how to transfer these into something awesome. All right, I've never done this before, so bear with me as we go through the first time together, okay? You're going to take a little bit of your mashed potatoes, okay? You're going to take a little bit of your cheese, a little dollop of cheese. You're going to mash that all together. Make yourself I'm going to show you how to do one of these. You wrap the cheese in the mashed potato, okay? Then you come over here to the breadcrumbs and you coat the whole thing in breadcrumbs. We're going to roll this in bacon. You're going to lay that there, and we're going to do a bunch of those. You got cheese wrapped in mashed potatoes, wrapped in breadcrumbs, wrapped in bacon. Do a bunch of those, and then pop it in the refrigerator or the freezer to solidify. All right, guys, so I got a plate of giant ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. So I got 8 giant mashed potato bacon bombs with cheese in it. I'm going to cut my cheese a little bit smaller because I think these are too big. So I'm going to make another plate, and I'll show you in just a minute. I'm going to cut my cheese in half, use smaller bits of cheese, try to shrink down a little bit of this. This looks beautiful, though. This may just be perfect. I don't know. So we'll make some big ones, and I'm going to make a plate of small ones. Okay, so you guys are watching me live. It's not really live, it's recorded. But I'm experimenting as I go. I want to go a little smaller on the mashed potatoes. Let's try that out. A little bit smaller. Okay. I'm going to grab a smaller piece of cheese. See, I made a smaller piece of cheese. I want to put that in the middle. Get that all covered up. Oh, that's a perfect size, really. I want to make sure that we're good. Make sure it's round. Get it all rounded. That's a better size now. Now put it in our crumbs, our breadcrumbs. Now I've used one piece of bacon, but I'm doubling it up, kind of like an X. So we're going to try that out and see how that works, okay? Let's see. So we're going to do that, and then that, and then oh, I'm liking this better. I'm liking this better, guys. That's what I'm going to do. It's completely covered now. That looks beautiful. Boom. Let's cook up the first batch that I made probably too big and not the right way, but we're going to try it anyway. We're going to try the big ones versus the little ones. Okay, time to pull out the ones I think that are going to be better, the ones that are completely enveloped in bacon. So let's get a look here. Okay, these are smaller, not cooked as hard. I cooked the bacon all the way, but it's not as crispy like this bacon, but these are bigger. So these are bigger and a little bit more well done. These are done and smaller. And I think these are going to be better than those. But I think they're all going to taste great. We're going to let them cool off right now. Basically, I think they're all going to be good, but I think the smaller ones are the way to go. I think they're perfect kind of appetizers. Really cool stuff. Mashed potato bacon bombs. Here we go. A tater tot filled with cheese, wrapped with bacon. That's what it tastes like. Let's see if this is hot. Wow. Good crunch, good bacon flavor. Now this is completely enclosed in bacon. As you saw, I crisscrossed the bacon and folded it over in 2 sections. So these are literally enclosed in bacon. Those little ones were still hot. Same flavor profile, double the bacon. You can taste, it's still one piece of bacon, but this tastes like more bacon. So I like the smaller ones. They're more appetizing to people. They're not a big mouthful. These came out great. These came out great. They're both good. So it's not a competition. But it still tastes like a tater tot filled with cheese, wrapped in bacon. So anyway, have fun with this. Put a little spin of your own on this. Let me know how it goes. And enjoy.